Okay guys, so the reason you can't finish a beat, I'm going to show you with this system how to build in variation source. The reason you can't finish a beat, guys, I'm just going to tell you real quickly now. You're not building in variation and you're not building it in properly. Okay, this system will show you exactly how to build it in and you won't waste any time and you'll be straight in making your drops. Boom boom boom, there you go. Okay, put a bit of wider, spread it at the top. Shaker. Okay, so that's your kick. Group these guys, that's your snare. And then I'm going to group my kick and snare. Get a gate, a shaker, side chain to KS. If you put the floor fully down, guys, just to hear what's going on. That sounds quite good. And group these hats. Electro hat plugin, link in bio. I'm going to take away the bottom end of this shaker. Okay, match that up. Put minus 15 then. Try a saturator on this kick snare. So the saturation just glues it together. Depth up, and then check your frequency. And then the bass will push more harmonics into it, or more sub harmonics at this end. This bit, now I've right click, add locator, come up with this, so you've got your stab. If you want to repeat that, that's just 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just one beat, and that allows you to draw in a stab. Now I'm going to use the spectrum on my kick drum first to find out what frequency I'm hitting. Hitting an A, so 5 up from A for my sub. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's D. Octaves down. Add a bit of release. Now I always start by adding a bit of release and putting the random down. Gives it a tail on the end. Bit of attack. Just rounds off the start. I'm gonna go for a sine wave, FM something through it. Squelchy FM. So put the level down. We're gonna run this through this wave now. The frequency modulation of the FM. And I'll run it through like this shape. Turn this into an envelope. And then you're looking for about 20% to 50% maybe. Not bad. Now I'm going to add a phase filter. Just to find some interesting harmonics. Add a compression. I'm going to add a chorus. Put the mix up and the LPF, is that the low pass? Up, and the feedback up. Then bring this back down. That's it. Just wets it up a little bit. Try a reverb. Cool. And then remember, guys, drag, drop, tweak, repeat, create an audio, Command and T, stab, and I'm going to drag that there. That's stab 1. If I zoom in here, I'm going to need another stab. 1 to 8 beats along. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tweak it now up an octave. We'll tweak it. I'll pass down. Get rid of that now. Now I will save that as a preset. I'm going to change the wave for this reset this back to 0. I'll go up an octave. I'm going to create a bit of a wobble now. This is going to be a rhythmical or swelling bass before you get up to your energy pocket there, which is going to build variation into the loop. Now, I do like to use 2 notes, next door notes now. I'm going to try a limiter, squash the sound a little bit, sometimes helps. Cool, and try. Release down a bit. Distortion. Bit of noise. Right click, freeze track and flatten. Add that there to my next rhythmical one. This time I'm going to change the LFO shape, more like this. A bit more jarring like that. Give it a listen. Double it up again. And Command J might help there. We're just going to repeat the system. Freeze that one. Right click and flatten. And different bass now. Nice harmonic one. We do like these ones. Put your level back up. Try that on the wavetable. So we're going for 4 variations this time, guys. Don't know why I'm looking at the microphone. Right click, flatten, and then move this guy to the last one now. Let's change up the rhythm. Double that up, right click, freeze track, right click, flatten. So guys, this is just sine waves, FM in, or anything, digital, whatever, try it, and we're just FM in it, making variation. Now we've got these, we'll have a stab there, a stab, that's our stab, so let's copy our stabs across. Let's get organised now, guys. So these are all rhythmical, their stab, and this one is energy pocket. Here, this is our energy pocket. I'm going to go into our free sample pack, link in the description. Try some bass. So, erosion. We're going to dress this channel up. Basically, we're going to get some notch filters like this. Okay. Basically, guys, if we're cutting frequencies away, we're going to then crush it with the compression. Tune it with these. Mess with these here. And then pull the amount back. Okay, grab an LFO, all results. And we're going to map that to here. Put it down a little bit. I'm just going to reverse this thing. Bass. Let's try a bit of this one. Just like that. Next sub. Good. Right, now let's have a quick listen. Sorry about that, guys. That was a loop. Okay, so the third rhythmical one's a bit weird. Let me just loop this. I'm gonna get rid of that one. I didn't like that one, to be honest with you. But I think we could use this one again. And then we might want a bit more of an energy pocket here. Try this. Maybe tune it down a bit. bass, label that bass. Command and T for an audio, label that bass audio. Now my bass, change this from master to bass audio. Bass in, and glue on here. On here.